Laman at content ng isang online publication sa Instagram ang pagiging fans na may edad sa ating mahalima, SB19. Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. SB19 at 18 fandom na mention at content ng isang online publication ng popular online lifestyle at city guide. Ito ay Spot PH. Napag-usapan dito sa article na what's been like as 18 or fandom of SB19. Anong klaseng journey mayroon ang SB19 like Joss, Justin, Ken, Stel at Pablo sa kabila ng kanilang kasikatan at mostly ang kanilang mga fans ay may edad na. Minsan 30, 40, or 50 ang edad. Maliban sa mga bata o mga teenager, mayroon ding mga fans na kalahati ang edad ng SB19 boys sa kanilang mga fans tulad na lamang ng 40 above or 50 below. Minsan may 56, minsan may 60 years old. Fan na fan pa rin ng SB19. Walang pinipiling edad ang maging fans o 18 ng SB19. Kailangan lang respetuhan. Kasi ang SB19, 18, ang fandom nila ay talagang magalang, accommodating, mabait, approachable at pala-smile. Dapat ganun tayo sa kapwa 18 para yung mga fans na mas may edad na ay ma-encourage sila na ma-inspired, ma-admired at magpursigi na tuloy-tuloy lamang ang pag-update, pagpanood, pagtangkilik sa SB19. Alam nyo ba na ang boy band o singers na may mas maraming fans na may mas maedad ay ibig sabihin magalang, mabait at totoong approachable at mapagmahal ang singer o boy band na yon. Yan ang SB19. Maliban sa linya ni Pablo na Choose to be Kind na ginagawa ng 18 ngayon ay mayroon pang isa. Ang SB19 ay walang pinipiling edad na maging fans nila. Sa usapin na ito at content ng Spot PH sa Instagram, sari-sari ang nagkomento na ito nga sa screen na mabasa ninyo. Ayon sa mga komento, masaya sila at enjoy sila sa pagiging 18 at tagahanga ng nag-iisang SB19. Masaya sila at proud na proud.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.